The UK has our respect for this. A 1995 Land Rover Defender 110 LS3, and its restoration was done by the Land Rovers from the UK. Now, all parts of the exterior has been separately treated with the best quality black satin paint, and numerous parts of the exterior were replaced with new parts including the doors, grille, headlight finishers, steering guard, Puma hood, and LED lights all the way around. This Land Rover sits on BF Goodrich Mud and Terrain 305 R18 tires, which means you'll have good traction. And before we move on to the interior, if you want to stay in the loop of awesome private seller cars like this, leave a like on this video and drop us a follow. We'll keep you updated. It seats up to 7 and has a great mix of classic and modern styles. The front row is fitted with hand-tailored leather Corbeau seats, while the second row has hand-tailored Puma seats. The steering wheel is Italian Motto Lita hand-stitched leather, making it premium to the touch. A powerful 6.2-liter V8 Corvette 450 horsepower engine lies underneath the hood, along with a 6-speed automatic gearbox. Once again, shout out to the Land Rovers from the UK. They did their thing with this, and if you want to learn more about this build, go ahead and check out exoticcartrader.com.